Ghana, a land of rich heritage and resilience. The Ghana Armed Forces have carved out a proud legacy of female participation. Women are not only in the ranks, but they hold significant leadership roles in key units.
I want the whole world, especially Nigerians, to come and see why Ghanaians don't joke with their women.
Late Brigadier General Constance Emefa Ejiani Afenu, the first female Brigadier General of Ghana, was a beacon of hope for women in uniform. She stood tall, her presence an unbreakable testament to the strength and spirit of Ghanaian women. Today, 15% of Ghana's military force is composed of women, ready to defend their homeland in the skies and on perilous missions.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So the video we're about to watch is the ceremony that happened at the police headquarters yesterday in Ghana, guys. Before we watch the video, I would love to appreciate my followers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always, clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. Please don't make it your last. Follow the channel, like and share the video. Guys, let's get right into it. I hope you guys have seen why Ghanaian women are being valued by Ghanaians, right? No joke. So if you are planning of marrying a Ghanaian lady, you should know what you are coming to do. They know they joke with them. If you do, they go do, okay. So this is it. Women are valued in Ghana. Ghanaians don't joke with their women. They are amazing people. They put their all in everything they do. As you can see how well dressed they are, how organized they are. You guys saw it for yourself, how the king was smiling, seeing his women doing all these things like, I'm proud of my women. I'm proud of them. In case you do not know, in the history of Ghana, there is a lady called Asantua, and she was among the soldiers that fought for the freedom of the Ashanti Kingdom. I don't know if you guys know about the story. If you don't know, you should go and start digging out to know more about Ghanaian history, okay?
Leading the equipment display is a female dispatch rider, and she is Sergeant Babuki Florence.
During the war, in fact, I was so sad because the killing of the people there, it was not easy. So I was driving on dead bodies because if you stop, they will fire you. I was the first female driver in the Ghana Armed Forces. I drove for 27 years, experience in driving without accident. I'm very proud, and my children are proud of me.
Friday with the blow down. Anything we do, they say with the force. I'm kind of that everything we do for the cause. Trouble every day, challenge with the cause. No matter how you hate me, we no go fall. Enemies, enemies, they want to pull me down, but now can't see me. Enemies, enemies, they want to pull me down, but now can't see me. None.
You are learning. In fact, you are learning. We will download from you. Allah! You are learning.
I say me see me so, they weigh me on my shoulder. I'm here, the sun never have to go right. The cry fear send me by crying at the boy you. See me now, we say one and me think happy. I'm here, the sun never have to go right. So I'm coming back to you, I'm coming back to mama yeah. The cry fear send I say me see me so, they weigh me on my shoulder. I'm here, the sun never have to
Yes, Monsieur Admiral, say I am. I see how they're from. A man over there, Modia Quotidiano. Huh? Obana Mugu, Araino, Moakman.
Chief of Staff at the President, Ms. Akusia Frema Osei Opari, has appealed for the creation of a special female desk within the Ghana Armed Force to see to exclusive female-related issues, to enhance the performance of those in service, as well as influence policies that would remove barriers in female recruitment and advancement. The government's Chief of Staff made the call at a splendid and historic all-female parade held at Abuga Square, Armored Reconnaissance Regiment, Reki, at the penultimate event of the week-long celebration of 60 years of female participation in Ghana's military. Recounting historical events as the reviewing officer at the extremely impressive and unprecedented celebration to showcase achievement of female of the armed forces. The parade proper had 22 officers and 203 soldiers of the Army, Navy, and Air Force, forming 6 contingents from reviewing officer to the parade commander, Lieutenant Colonel Evelyn Azira, the contingent commander, color party troop, the regimental band, vehicle display drivers and crew, ambulance drivers and crew, physical training instructors, the military police, to the flight path by the Diamond DA-42 aircraft and the helicopter, all being females. Records indicate that Ghana, being the second highest contributor of troops to the United Nations peace out of 122 troops, contributing a significant percentage of female peacekeepers, that is close to the attainment of the United Nations recommended quota.
both to act as a rallying point for troops and national location of the commander is also originated in ancient Egypt some 5,000 years ago. Women activity color, a special color line for today's story. The color line is left penetrating and military hospital. The secondary officers are Sub-Lieutenant Nancy Okuni and Sub-Lieutenant Winnie Dapa. The PO2 Amewu Abba is under the command of Flying Officer Benedicta Yaira Yedupaku from the Tech 7 Military Hospital. The secondary officers are Flying Officer LC. Distinguished invited guests, the first to arrive is a special guest for today, in the person of Colonel Faustina Cecilia Yeboah. These include nursing officers, distinguished guests, the nurse to arrive, and Brigadier General Captain Ama Ebeban. China Fedul is currently the Ghanaian Forces representative, the Control and Accountants General Department.
Ghana, a land of rich heritage and resilience. The Ghana Armed Forces have carved out a proud legacy of female participation. Women are not only in the ranks, but they hold significant leadership roles in key units. Late Brigadier General Constance Emefa Ejiani Afenu, the first female Brigadier General of Ghana, was a beacon of hope for women in uniform. She stood tall, her presence an unbreakable testament to the strength and spirit of Ghanaian women. Today, 15% of Ghana's military force is composed of women, ready to defend their homeland in the skies and on perilous missions.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop your opinion in the comment section. Bye-bye.